Genuine OEM replacement part. The 602805 is the genuine replacement UV lamp for VIQUA D4, D4+, and D4 Premium ultraviolet water systems. Safety note. Never look directly at the UV lamp when it is powered on. Follow the instructions carefully to avoid injury to eyes and skin. Annual lamp change. After a year, UV light weakens and isn't strong enough to properly treat your water. Replacing your lamp annually with a genuine VIQUA lamp ensures optimal system performance. Top reviews from the United States. Exact replacement. This UV bulb was used in my home filtration system. It even came with installation instructions that helped me get the job done. Great value. Happy with the improvement in our contaminated well water, tastes great and is crystal clear. Very reliable. Happy with the improvement in our contaminated well water, tastes great and is crystal clear.